Hi everyone, welcome to Xpress. So far, we've seen how to add your book information, upload and format your book. If you haven't completed these steps yet, I would suggest clicking on the link above to watch these videos first before coming back to this. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can design the cover of your book using the design tool. Let's get started. To get started, click on the Launch Cover Creator. You can choose a pre-made layout to get started. So I'm going to click on the blank layout. You can click on this toggle to choose between the front cover and the back cover. Now on the left, we have options to change the background. You can add any text or fun shapes, maybe other elements. I'm going to start with adding a background image. You can either pick a given background image or upload your own background. If you're not able to find a suitable image, you can just search for a free image on the search option over here. When the toggle is on the front cover, you can click on the image and move it around to adjust it to how you want. You can also adjust the settings of the background image either manually or choose one of the filters. Now it's time to add the title. Once you type the title, you can style it however you want by choosing different fonts, colors, and sizes over here. Remember, all your alignments should fall between the red bars here because when your book gets printed, anything that's beyond the bars will get cut off. The front cover is now complete. You can set the toggle to the back cover and repeat the same process. Set the background, copy-paste the blurb, and your author bio. All designs you make are auto-saved, so you don't have to worry about losing progress. Once you're done, click Preview and Finish to see what your cover design is going to look like finally. Now don't worry about the spine of your book. This will be auto-generated. And that's it with your cover design tool. In the next video, I'll be showing you how you can price your book, choose the right distribution mode, and finally publish. Hey there, before you click on the next video, start your publishing journey by clicking on the link in the description. And if you have any publishing related queries, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe to Xpress for more such content. Happy publishing!